Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute gnome decoration. First we're going to start with our yarn. Make sure you pull a piece to the side, you're going to need that for later. We'll start by folding our yarn pieces in half, pulling them through our piece of cardboard, and then sticking the ends through the loop to create a little knot. And we'll keep doing that over and over again until we make it the whole way around. Once you have it all the way around, we are going to take our yarn, twist it together, and push it through so that way this piece of cardboard is the rim of our hat. I'm just brushing out my yarn to keep it all nice and straight. Then we're going to set that aside and use it later. Next we're going to take our ring and we're going to start working on the beard. So we'll take our pieces of macrame yarn and tie the same way we were doing the yarn on the hat. Make sure it's nice and tight, pull really tight. If you're a kiddo, I would ask for help from an adult for this one, just to make sure they're nice and tight, because we'll need that for later. And again, you're gonna use all the pieces that we have and make it go halfway around the circle. Once we have that done, we're gonna take our comb and we're gonna start brushing out that rope. Starting at the ends, we're gonna start unraveling it. It's a little tricky, be patient with it, don't try to tear through it. It's easiest to start from the end, maybe go strand by strand. Once we have it all brushed out, we're going to take a sharp pair of scissors and cut our beard to our desired length. I decided to make mine kind of a pointed shape, but you can really have fun with it and do it however you'd like. Once we have it trimmed there, I'm just combing it out again, and then we are ready to give our little gnome his hat. So I'm going to take the end of that hat and slide it over the ring, and then I'm going to make sure that I glue it on the ends. It's easiest to put the glue inside and then slide it down. Now I'm going to glue in using hot glue again, glue the bead in there as the nose, and now we're using that piece of string that we saved earlier and the piece of twine. I'm making a little knot, and this is going to be how we hang it. And now I'm sliding my piece of yarn through it to make sure that we can attach it. Now I'm taking that piece of yarn and I'm tying it to make the puff of the gnome's hat. I decided to wrap mine around the back so all of the knots stay in the back of it, and I decided to double knot mine as well to make sure it feels nice and secure. Once you have that tied, you can cut the ends of that to match the puff of the rest of the gnome, and there you have it, this cute little decoration. It would be a great ornament or wall hanging. Thanks for watching!